Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Moto G60S, and I'll show you how to enable emoji suggesting on this device. So first you should go to the settings application and then scroll down to the system section. Now just go to the languages and input, and here touch on the on-screen keyboard and go to the Gboard. Here you'll see the text correction settings. And here we got the show emoji suggestion switcher. Now just to enable and show the emoji suggestions on our device while during the typing, you can tap once here on the switcher, and just to turn it off, tap here again on the switcher, and by this way you can change the emoji suggestion settings. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.